Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a really quick video to show you guys all the items that I got from Amazon today. So I have been on a ketogenic diet for probably about a year and a half, and a lot of the things that I use on a daily basis or use to make my weekly meal preps cannot be found in my local grocery store. For whatever reason, I can't find these suckers anywhere. But luckily enough, I can go on Amazon. They have everything that I need, and it's literally a one-stop shop. So I'm going to show you guys all the things that I purchased. I am going to go ahead and list each item along with the price that I paid for them down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up with a comment. I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. All right, let's take a look at these items. All right, guys, so this is everything that I purchased from Amazon today. Everything came in 3 different boxes. I was so excited to just get them open so I can show you guys everything that I bought. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to show you are these delicious fudge keto brownies. I buy them all the time. What I like best about these brownies is that you're not going to taste that disgusting fake sugar taste. I buy them because they are very satisfying, they taste delicious, and I don't feel guilty after eating them. They're so low in carb, you're basically eating air. I love these suckers. I make them all the time because they're super easy. I even have a delicious cheesecake brownie recipe that I make at least once a month. So the next thing I purchased were these chia seeds. They are a superfood and I absolutely love them. I use them to make my chia pudding that I eat every single morning. I also eat these puddings for a snack. They're super, super good for you. All right, the next thing I bought is this package of monk fruit sweetener. This one is the powdered sugar version. I already have the granulated sugar, but I like using this powdered sugar because it's just easy to dissolve in everything. I put it in my chia seed pudding. Also, it is so carb friendly and it doesn't have that nasty fake sugar taste. So you should try it out, guys. All right, guys. So the next thing I purchased was this unsweetened cocoa powder, which I literally opened 10 minutes ago in order to make a keto chocolate latte, which was delicious. I like this powder because it dissolves very easily within hot or cold liquids. All right, so the next thing I purchased was a package of this rotini pasta, which I really like. I also like that it is very carb friendly. This is the only pasta I have ever found that have such low carbs and that actually tastes like real pasta. I try to keep a package of this in my house for anytime I'm having the craving for pasta. All right, now for the good stuff. So I purchased this box of margarita mix, which I love. It comes in a pack of 8. You just take out a packet, mix it with some water, and add your desired tequila. My tequila of choice is Patron. This is absolutely delicious. I take the packets with me on the road if I'm going out for dinner or if I'm going on vacation. I always have a mixer for my drink. Next, I purchased this granola in the blueberry flavor. I've also had the cinnamon pecan flavor, and that's really good as well. I use this granola to top my chia seed pudding, or I'll just warm up some almond milk or coconut milk or flaxseed milk, and I'll use this granola as a cereal. It's very low in carb, and it's really good, guys. You should definitely try it. Next, I purchased this delicious milk chocolate bark bar. It has no sugar added. I tend to put this in the fridge. That way, when it's time for me to eat it, it's nice and crunchy. I really like this. Anytime I'm having a sweet tooth, this always satisfies my craving. Next, I picked up a couple of barbecue pork rinds by Utz, which in my opinion have the best pork rinds. They're super crunchy and so flavorful. I definitely munch on these daily. I don't like the plain pork rinds, but I love the barbecue flavor. Next, I purchased these treats from Atkins. These are the M&M knockoffs. You cannot tell the difference between these or real M&Ms. Atkins has really stepped up their game. And these only have 1 net gram of carb. Next, I purchased this pack of ISIL pure unflavored whey protein that I use to make my delicious keto bread. I've used a lot of different whey proteins, but I really love this one. I also went ahead and picked up a pack of the xanthan gum by Anthony. I use this gum to put in my keto bread, but most importantly, I use this as a thickening agent. Next, I bought this super cute mini waffle iron, which I intend to start using first thing tomorrow morning. It is so cute. Next, I bought this box of Carb Quick Bacon Mix. I love this mix. I use it to make everything. I use it to make pancakes, waffles, pizza. I use it to make biscuit. I even use it to coat my fried chicken. It is super low carb and it tastes really good. I would highly recommend this bacon mix. Lastly, I bought these Smart Sweet Tangy Peach Ring candies, which are really good. They don't taste exactly like the original peach gummies, but they're damn close. They come in a pack of 12 and the carbs are really low on this one. All right, so this is everything that I purchased from Amazon today. Again, everything will be listed in the description box below along with what I paid for it. If any of you guys are interested in starting a ketogenic diet and you had some questions for me, I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. If you're curious to see what I eat in a day, I'd be happy to make a video and show you guys what I eat every day while on my ketogenic diet. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.